This is Brian's Motorsports, guys. Go to briansmotorsports.com. Check out his social media, Facebook and Instagram. He's also got TikTok. You can check it out. There's a customer's truck. People buy cars from us, come down here, get them customized with wheels, tires, custom consoles, stereo systems. Anything you need, he does it. He does full suspension lifts. He does brand new trucks every day, wheels, tires. He can hook you up, guys, right here in Hendersonville, Tennessee. I hope you enjoy this video. This is a paint booth. He does all kinds of stuff, guys. Got to check him out if you want to trick out your ride. Hope you enjoy. This is his showroom right here. You can get customized speaker boxes, consoles, interior, steering wheels. I'm talking, look at all these rims, guys. I go down there to get my ride done. Anytime I get a new ride, I just bought a diesel truck. I got it down there right now. I'll show you some pictures of it once I get it done. But he is the go-to guy.